We're gonna double bribe you. Let's see. Yes. It's one of your favorite snacks, huh? And there it is. It's okay. Yeah. It's not gonna get you. There you go. Yeah, good job. Yeah, you gonna get the other one now that you know it's safe? Oh, it's okay. It's okay still. Look. Go ahead. I know you got your mouth wet, huh? Well, it is a water fountain for doggies. It's okay. Bandit, it's okay. I promise. It's okay. No. Go ahead, Bandit. It's okay. I promise. I promise. The snack won't get you. Yeah, snack. It's right there. It's right there. Come on. Come on. Go get your snack. It's right there. I'm pointing right to it. You're not happy, are you? No, I'm not gonna go over here and get you another one. There's a perfectly good snack right here on the bowl. It's got good waters and balls and everything. Yeah, right there. It's okay. I promise. Yes, I promise. Go ahead. It's okay. It's okay. You're being ridiculous. It's okay. Yeah. There you go. There you go. It's okay. Yum. Yeah. And the water's good and clean. That's a filter and everything. That's cleaner than any water you've probably ever had. It's okay. You try to unplug it? Are you leaving? Okay, go. I'm done. I'm going to the car. I'm leaving. That's it? Okay.